find it. Hello guys, we are in London this weekend and we're having such a wholesome weekend just walking around. We've just been to Kensington Gardens and we're now in Notting Hill. We're going to Portobello Road. We just went in Dalesford Organic as well, which I've been meaning to go in for the longest time. I want to go to the one in the Cotswolds, still on my list. It's so pretty in there. Just got a few treats. We're going to have a walk around and show you what we get up to. Back to the room for a bit. I'm just going to freshen up before we go for dinner. We're heading to Dishoom. I'm so excited. If you've never been to Dishoom before, you need to try it because it's literally the best Indian food we've had. They've just opened up a new one in Notting Hill, which is the one we're going to. We've been to Covent Garden before and we've been to the one in Manchester, so I am intrigued to see what this one is like, but I honestly can't wait. But today we went to I mentioned it in one of the other clips, but we went to Notting Hill, we went to Portobello Road. Also, those Creme cookies, we've had them before. If you're in London, you need to try the Creme cookies because they are literally the best thing. And yeah, I mean, I did get a little bit overstimulated walking around. It's a Saturday and it's very busy, but I do always love coming to London and seeing all the gorgeous buildings. And it's also, I don't think I actually mentioned why we're here. It's mine and my fiance's like 2-year engagement anniversary. So he booked us this weekend away. He knows that I really like, my lid. He knows that I really like the Kensington area. Like I really like Kensington Gardens. We've been there before and we hired a bike and cycled around like the whole area and it was just so nice. So wholesome. Especially on like a hot sunny day, it's just the perfect thing to do. So that's what we did first and got an ice cream, walked around, and it's just my favourite thing to do in London basically. I'm gonna finish getting ready, freshen up, and then we're gonna walk over to Dishoom and I'll show you what we get to eat as well.
Just like what the story was. That's really good.
Oh my god, that was so nice, but we actually feel physically sick now. I don't think we overordered too much, did we? We got biryani, chicken ruby,
Yeah.
and naan bread, actually like with broccoli as well, obviously for health. But the way they did the broccoli, and I've also discovered that I like chickpeas. So now I feel like I'm going to do some recipes of chickpeas in, because I've always wanted to like chickpeas, but I never used to and I haven't tried them since. That was so good, 10 out of 10. And also the staff was so nice. We got a little card for our anniversary. They gave us a little anniversary card and a brownie, which was so sickly, with like this marshmallow stuff on top. Very nice, but very sickly. Tomorrow morning we're heading to breakfast at, what's it called again?
Sunday in Brooklyn.
Sunday in Brooklyn. So I'll show you some clips when we head there.
Berry, I think.
I usually get a coffee, but they don't have coconut milk, so I'm going to try some of this banana bread. Well, it's quite tough. I think there's ginger in that. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. Yeah, it's like a berry compote. I never realised how much I like chia pudding until I tried it in Copenhagen last year. I think it's like the texture of it, it like puts you off initially, but it's really nice. Towards this bit now where there's meant to be these otters in this enclosure area, but it's very peaceful here if you're into like nature walks and wildlife and birds and stuff. There's quite a lot here, so it's a very cute place. I saw it on TikTok and it's like 40 minutes away from where we were in London, so we thought we'd stop by before we head home. A little bit annoying because there were so many people at the otters over there and you couldn't really get to the front, but I saw them for a little bit and got some clips. But we're gonna head home now. We've had a lovely little weekend, like a wholesome weekend in the city, but I hope you've enjoyed this vlog and let me know if there's any types of content that you want to see from me, because I definitely want to start filming more of this type of thing.